So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Developers Corner. So, we are done with our backend, we are done with our e-commerce website UI, okay, and we are also done with our admin panel UI. So, if you guys are new on my YouTube channel, so I requested you then to go through this video. You have to first, you need to first go with these three videos. You can follow anyone first, like first you can go with this and you can go with this also, but you have to complete these three videos. So after that you can go with this video. So let's start. So first of all, I am going to start with admin panel. So in our admin panel I'm going to use Redux Toolkit. So Redux Toolkit formic for validation. Okay, yep. Okay, and we need Axios. Okay, so let's start the installation. So npm I Axios test force. Because of some dependency problem, we have to run this command with dash force. Okay, and we need yup. For yup, we need to install npm install yup so that it be installed. So npm I yup dash force, and then we need formic. To install formic, we need to run this command npm install formic. Okay, so npm I formic test force, and third thing we need is toolkit. So copy, control v dash force. Okay, so all four things are installed. Now what we need to do is, in src folder we will create one folder named app, and inside the app we will create store.js, and inside store.js what we need to do is import configure import import configure store from @redux.js toolkit. Okay, and after that export const store is equal to configure store. Inside configure store we need to pass the reducer. Okay, reducer. So same thing, copy, and now go to open one terminal in front end. Okay, so npm I axios formic install all of these, and one more thing need to install is copy, control v, and install Redux Toolkit also. Now same thing, what we need to do is go in front end. This is our website part. Create one folder which is app. Inside app we need to create store.js and copy this. Go up, control A, control C, and control V. So our store is ready. Now what we need to do, go in index.js. Inside index.js import store. Okay, import store. After that we need provider. It's not giving. Import provider from React Redux. Okay, in index.js you have to do this. So after that, control X, first provider, inside that app will come. So through provider we need to pass store is equal to store. Okay, so in index.js you have to do only this. Now close all the files. Now do one thing, go to src folder and create one folder, features. Okay, create one more folder which is utils. Okay, features, utils. Inside feature we will create one more folder name auth, and inside auth slice.js, and one more file will come which is auth service.js. Okay, so let me create one more folder. We can create one folder named product. Not here, here, product. Okay, so there are two folders in our features. So now in auth service, go to auth service. Okay, let's create first auth slice part. Okay, in auth slice what we need to do is import. So let me open the Redux tutorials. Now go to documentation, RTK query overview, create API, configure store. Start. Where is create slice? API reference. Oh, here. So we need to import create slice. Okay, so create slice, from @redux toolkit. Okay, and one more thing we need is comma create async thunk. Okay, and after that what we need to do is so first of all we are going to do auth part. So let's create a object const user default state. User default state is equal to a blank array. Inside this we will store id, which is null for now. After that we have name, or we have first name. Okay, first name is null for now. Last name, that is also null. Email we have, this is also null. After that we have mobile, null. Okay, oh, one more thing we need to store is token. This is also null. So now const we will create a main state initial state. Okay, inside this initial state what we need to do, first we will store user. Our user is this user default state. After that is error, false for now. Is loading, false for now. Is success, that is also false for now. Then we have message if any. Okay, so after that what we will create is we will create our, okay, now export const auth slice. Auth slice is equal to create slice. Inside this we have to write name. Okay, so name is auth. After that we have initial state which is this. You don't have to write it like that if the name is same now. So after that reducers, if any. After that we have extra reducers. Okay, and inside this we have to pass builder, and that will do after some time. Let me create auth service. So inside auth service we need import Axios. Why it is not giving IntelliSense? Import, let it be Axios from Axios. Okay, and now what we need to do is go to utils, create one file base underscore url.js. So const base underscore url is equal to our, let me check. I think it is running on, let me check. We need full path postman. Give me a minute, guys. So only this we need to store till here. Okay, control V, control X, this. So it will go to http localhost. Okay, so export it, export. Now go to auth service. So const API, let me import, okay, base underscore URL. Okay, now control X. So after that what we need to do is, let me create a service. So const, first we will do admin login. So login is equal to async. So here we need to pass our user data. Okay, user data. Inside this const response is equal to await axios.post. Okay, so what we need to pass is dollar base underscore URL. After that, let me check the base URL. Okay, slash, so user slash admin dash login. Okay, and after this we need to pass our user data. Okay, and let me log here, log response. So here only you have to do this. So after that, in last, what you need to do is const auth service is equal to create object. So we have created login. Okay, and export default auth service. Okay, so now come to auth slice. Okay, so auth service, control X. So if after that come here and let's create our first so here what we need to do, const login is equal to create a sync thunk. Okay, so let me check. Create a sync thunk. So first we need to pass like this. So this is so here auth slash admin login. Okay, async. So here we need to pass data user thunk API. Okay, now inside this take try and catch. Here we need to pass the error. So let me create a message. Const message is equal to, or leave it, we will try first as it is, log error. Okay, and here, oh, it will return something. Return thunk API dot reject, reject with value. But for now I am passing this error. Okay, otherwise return await auth service dot login user. So we are done with our this reducer. Now export it. Okay, so after that what you have to do is come here. Okay, and inside this builder dot add case, so this is login. So login dot pending on pending state equal to this. Okay, so inside the state what we need to update is state dot is loading true, is loading is equal to true. Okay, copy this. I think I have done something wrong. Okay, builder dot add case. Okay, after that state, this will close here, not there. Okay, now copy the same. Oh, sorry, till add case we need to copy. Control V. So builder dot add case. So this is our pending one. After that we have fulfilled. In fulfilled, here we need to pass one more thing, which is action. So state dot is loading false. Okay, state dot is success will be true. Sorry, equal to. Okay, and state dot user will be action dot payload. Why am again action dot payload? And here we need to create one more state which is rejected. So inside rejected, so state action. Okay, so state dot is loading false. State dot is error will be true. Okay, state dot is success will be false. State dot user will be oh shit man, it's action dot payload, and state dot user will be null. sorry, null. Okay, and in last, what we need to do is export default auth slice dot mm, what's our auth slice dot reducer. Okay, auth slice dot reducer, yeah. Now go to store.js. Here we need to create so import auth reducer from dot slash dot slash feature slash auth slice and pass it like this auth inside auth reducer. Okay, so that's it for here. So now what we need to do is now we have to go inside our login.js. Where is page is login.js. Okay, so here we need to pass name also. So name, oh shit, is equal to this. So inside this email, inside this password. Okay, now let's open. Okay, open custom inputs to the side. So here we need to pass name is equal to name and pass here also name. Okay, so name. Now here we need val is equal to for now anything. So here need value is equal to val comma val, and if we pass some function here, so on change is equal to and on blur is equal to this. So let's copy on ch. I'm going to set an on bl. So here on ch on bl. Okay, now what you need to do is, so we are done with Formic installation. Now go to last, use Formic we are going to use. So copy this. Okay, copy here. After that we need this part, Control C, and inside login we have to paste it. So we need to take this. So where we have form, Control V. So copy this. Okay, copy this, Control C and Control V. So inside well, Control C, Control V. Okay, and this will be on ch Formic dot handle change email, and this will also be email on ch is equal to this. Okay, same we need to do here, Control C, Control V. So this will be password. Okay, what it will be, this will be password. Okay, name, password, name, email. Now here we need to pass email and password will be blank for now. Okay, values alert on submit. Okay, this is also done. Copy this once on BL. Or we can do one thing. We can pass same thing here on CH. Let me check. Let me start our app. So it's front end. It's our admin. So npm start. So let it be start. Okay. And use formic. Use field. Search doc. Yep. So our app is started. Oh shit. So here what we need to do is okay. Here what we need to do is change it to button. Remove this too. Now if we press submit, so we are getting this blank. Now if we type anything, so we are getting our data. Okay. So now we have to apply some validation. So to do validation, we need to copy C, Control V. After that, what we need to do is okay, validation schema, copy this, Control C, and here Control V, comma, and write for now ABF, anything. Okay. So now go to Yup, Control C, okay, and here Control V. Remove all of this. Remove. Okay, then we have password. Inside password, yup. Yup. Dot string. Dot. Let me check some documentation. Okay. Required. Dot required. Dot required. Okay. And same thing we need here. Dot required. Okay. So after that, let me check. Okay, yup is not defined. I think we have installed now. Yup. Okay. So y is capital Y. Okay. After that, what we need to do is copy this, Control C. Now go after this. So formic dot. Let me make it side. Formic dot errors dot email. Okay. Control C. Control V. So here also it will be password. Password. If we save, I think we are getting some error. Let me check. Okay, F is not defined. So instead of this app, we need to pass this Control V. So now it is working properly. Okay, now if we do, so it is saying email must be a valid email. So our validation is applied. So let me give some. Okay, let's do one thing. Valid required. Okay, so here we can pass our messages also like this. So like if we need to pass for email, so what we can write is email should be valid. Okay, email is required. Okay, password is required, and same thing here. No, here we don't need to pass. Okay, now if we send the request, so email should be valid. Okay, email should be valid. So let me check the class name. So it is okay, it's coming in div. Okay, for me. So now what you have to do is control X div dot error, control V, control X div dot error, control V. Okay, and now go to okay, index.css and type dot error. Color will be red, font size will be 12 pixel. Okay, and do one more thing. Here pass empty-3. Okay, so now if you send the control shift R, inspect. Okay, so login, so it is showing the error. If we don't send password, then it is showing password required, email is required. So we are done with our validation. So now window, terminal, mongo. Okay, let me open MongoDB Compass and check. Remove, connect. So digitic users. Okay, nd@gmail.com. I think I forgot the password. Okay, let's give a try. nd@gmail.com, and password is, I think, monu1676. Okay, login. So we are getting this. Now what we have to do is okay, okay, data. Okay, so now go to login.js. So here we need is, first we need dispatch is equal to use dispatch. Okay, and this use dispatch will come from import use. Why it is not giving suggestions today? Dispatch from react dash redux. Oh, sorry guys. Use dispatch and use selector. This will be import. Okay, these two things we need. Okay, so, and one more thing we need is now go to auth where features auth slice. Okay, we need this login. Okay, now go to login. Okay, inside this login import. Okay, so we have imported use selector. Okay, Mm-mm. Use selector. Now do one thing. Here we need to dispatch. Dispatch. Login. Inside login we have to pass our user. So here we have to pass mm, 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 values. Okay, so let me try to send the request once. nd@gmail.com. My password is, I think, this. And if we send the request, okay, we are getting some error. Products. Okay, so here we are getting this is loading true when it is false. Error, we are getting error. Okay, and in console also, so it is going to http localhost. Oh, sorry guys, one more thing we need to do is, so this is our backend. Open in integrated terminal npm run server. Okay, now if you send the request again, login. Okay, user slash admin dash login. Now go to Redux. Pending. Rejected. Now if you go to network. Okay, admin dash login. Okay, http host this. Okay, base URL. This is our admin app. Okay, utils. Where is utils? Oh, oh, sorry. Founding wrong at wrong place. It's Control V. Okay, slash localhost 5000. It is same. So localhost. Okay, preview response. Okay, now go to auth service. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot one thing. Okay, feature auth service. Here we are showing the response. Okay, so response dot data. If we do nd@gmail.com. Admin dash login. Let me check the route for that. This is our admin app. Okay, routes, auth route. Okay, admin dash login. This is also correct. User slash admin dash login. Components, Redux. id null. If we go in console, okay, Axios error, message network error. Oh, guys, I got it. So in our backend, what we need to do is index.js. So here we need to install one package, npm I course. Oh, this thing I forgot. So app, let me install course. So import course from course. Okay. So here app.use course and call it. Now if we run our server, it is crashed. Import course from course. Control X, Control V. Okay. Course. Oh shit, man. Course. Why you are opening here? Shit. Course. npm. Okay. App.use course. Import. Oh, sorry. This is our backend const. Course is equal to require course. Okay, now if we send the request, it should work. So login. Okay, again error. Failed status. Okay, now go to response. Payload we are getting. Review. Invalid credentials. Oh shit, man. Okay. Now do one thing and delete this. Delete. Okay, and at the oh shit. Send. Okay. Now refresh. Make it admin. Update. And if we go, so nd@gmail.com, nd@gmail.com, MONU1676, login. So you guys can see we are getting our user and our token. Okay. So if we go Redux to Redux fulfilled, oh, still it is showing. Oh, okay. So now what we have to do is we need to go to auth service, and here we need to return if response dot data, this we are getting. Okay, then local storage dot set item user and station dot stringify response dot data, and after that we need to return response dot data. Now go to slice. Okay, here we are getting this. Now if we send the request again, nd@gmail.com, and send the request. Okay, now go to Redux. Okay, so here we are getting our data. Okay, so we are done with our validation. Now if we go, sorry, validation login. Okay, now if we go to application local storage, inside local storage user, we are getting our user. Okay, So here, okay, so we are logged in. After that, now go to login and use effect. We need use effect, use effect. So use effect. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, use effect. So const user is loading, is error, is success, is succ success, and message we have that is in where we have I think dispatch. Okay, use selector. So is equal to use selector. Okay, inside use selector state, it will return state. Okay, state dot mm, state dot I think, let me check, state dot redux. Okay, state dot auth, and inside auth we have user. Okay, so state dot auth. Okay, and if we log user, now if we send the request, go to console, nd@gmail.com and monu1676. Now send the request login. Okay, control X, control V. Clear. Oh, sorry. Clear. Login. Okay. So here we are getting our user. So inside this, what we need to do is if, okay, let me check. I think I have not. Okay, auth slice, auth service. Okay. Okay, so if user or is success, then what we need to do is here we will use const navigate is equal to use navigate. So const success, if you this, then what we need to do is navigate to admin. Okay, navigate to admin. Okay, and here we need to give some conditions for this. Let me pass user, copy this, control C, control V. Okay, if user else what we need to do, what it will do, alert not whatever. Okay, now, oh shit, so here we need to do one thing. Control Shift R. Okay, let me close this. Now localhost 3000. Okay. Localhost storage. Redux. Oh, sorry, application. Local storage that we need to remove. Delete. If we refresh and try to go back, then it should go. Why it is not going to log in? Okay, inspect it. Network. Okay, state, user ID null. Okay, here we need to do one thing. If user not user is equal to null. We will check now. So now we are able to come here. So there we need to do some more changes. So if we do nd@gmail.com MONU1676 and login. Okay, then it is redirecting to our admin page. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and please do comments also. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching this video.